Welcome to English Evolution Step 1. In today's lesson, we're diving into everyday actions and phrases like put on, take off, open, and close. These simple yet essential words will help you describe daily activities clearly and confidently. Let's get started and make your English journey fun and practical. Shoes. Put on. Take off. I put on my shoes. I take off my shoes. Hut. Put on. Take off. I put on my hat. I take off my hat. Glasses. Put on. Take off. I put on my glasses. I take off my glasses. Jacket. Put on. Take off. I put on my jacket. I take off my jacket. Shirt. Put on. Take off. I put on my shirt. I take off my shirt. Socks. Put on. Take off. I put on my socks. I take off my socks. Gloves. Put on. Take off. I put on my gloves. I take off my gloves. Pants. Put on. Take off. I put on my pants. I take off my pants. Door. Open. Close. I open the door. I close the door. Window. Open. Close. I open the window. I close the window. Book. Open. Close. I open my book. I close my book. Bottle. Close. I open my bottle. I close my bottle. Umbrella. Open. Close. I open my umbrella. I close my umbrella. Wallet. Open. Close. I open my wallet. I close my wallet. Curtains. Open. Close. I open the curtains. I close the curtains. Notebook. Open. Close. I open my notebook. I close my notebook. Great job completing today's lesson. Now you can confidently talk about actions in your everyday routine. Keep practicing these phrases, and soon they'll become second nature. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more lessons on English Evolution Step 1. See you in the next video, and happy learning!